Hi, thank you for being on this video. My name is Fujifilm, and as most of you know, I'm more of a retro style camera nerd with cameras like my beloved Nikon ZF. But recently I got this small puppy, the RICOH GR4, and I have this camera now for about 12 hours, and I have put on a recipe on it, and now I will take it out for a quick spin. As I mentioned, I have this camera only for about 12 hours now, and I thought, why not just go out and take it out for a spin. I just put on a recipe from Samuel, from Samuel's Street Life, and the reason I'm calling this video cinematic, you could say, is because of the recipe he created, and I thought, since it's sunny, why not try it out? And in addition, I will put on an X-Pan crop and let's see what kind of images I can get, and having a little bit of fun with this new tiny camera. My last part of the vlog, you could say, got destroyed regarding the audio because the wind blew away my audio quality. But the benefit of that is that I have to record the session again and also give you my first impression regarding the images, since I had time to go through these images. And I have to say that, yeah, I did like the recipe from Samuel, but I think I might be also, curious regarding a recipe towards the cinema yellow recipe. I think that his wife mentioned that she would also prefer the cinema yellow recipe from the RICOH GR4, and I think I will also try that preset and adjust some of my images, since I also shot in RAW during this session. And yeah, after looking at the images I took from that day, there's no real image which looks cinematic to me, but as I mentioned, the main purpose of this quick shoot was to have a little bit of fun with my new camera and also trying out, as I mentioned, Samuel's recipe, which he also named cinematic because of his experience in Istanbul. And regarding the lighting, I think the lighting on my end was Perhaps for some instances too harsh, I'm not sure. But for the purpose of having fun, yeah, I did have fun with the RICOH GR4 simply because of the small form factor and being stealthy shooting with this small little camera. As an introverted person, I really appreciate the form factor. And as I mentioned, I just threw in the expand crop on my images to generate the cinematic frame, you could say. And let's just be having fun, as I mentioned. Yeah, regarding why I got the RICOH GR4, I guess I will do a dedicated video for this after having a little bit of time with the camera and more experience. But in a nutshell, it's basically because I have a trip coming up with my family and my beloved Nikon ZF I think might be too big for some instances, especially at the airport or during transit. And I did wanted to have a dedicated camera just for some instances or better image quality, you could say. And yeah, the RICOH GR4 did fill that void. And I do have experience with previous GR models. But as I mentioned, I will do a dedicated video about this topic because I think these two cameras in a kit complement themselves quite good in my opinion. For now, I hope you enjoyed this quick photo walk with my first shoot with the RICOH GR4 and having fun with the recipe from Samuel. I will link his video down below if you want to try out his recipe. And if you made it until this point, thank you very much for your time watching. You are the one who deserves the like for that. And if you want to watch more videos regarding my Nikon ZF or other retro style cameras, click on one of these and have a nice day.